Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two robot vacuums head-to-head in an epic showdown. On the left, we have the Roborock Q7 Max, and on the right, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Buckle up, because things are about to get clean and crazy. Let's kick things off with the price tag. Because let's face it, nobody wants to break the bank. The Roborock Q7 Max is coming in hot at $599. Meanwhile, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is sliding in at a cool $267. Reviewers appreciate that the Kilgone offers solid performance at a budget-friendly price, while the Roborock's higher price is justified by its advanced features and superior cleaning power. Next up, let's talk suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max boasts a whopping 4,200 pascals suction power. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a black hole. Nothing escapes it. Debris, pet hair, your hopes and dreams, you name it. On the other hand, Kilgone doesn't give us the exact numbers, but reviewers note it's strong enough to keep your floors clean without turning into a home-wrecking tornado. Overall, users find the Roborock to have a more powerful suction, while the Kilgone is adequate for regular cleaning tasks. Both vacuums double as mops because, let's be honest, who has time to mop these days? The Roborock Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously with 30 water flow levels. That's more levels than my last video game. The Kilgone, with its 230 milliliters electronically controlled water tank, also promises a solid mopping performance. But let's just say it's not exactly the Michael Phelps of mopping. Reviewers of the Roborock highlight its superior mopping capabilities, while Kilgone users appreciate the added convenience, but note it's not as advanced. Now let's dive into navigation. Because nobody likes a robot that gets stuck more often than your Wi-Fi. The Roborock Q7 Max uses PressaSense LiDAR navigation, which builds 3D maps of your home. You can even add virtual furniture. Imagine that. Your robot vacuum has better interior design skills than you. The Kilgone features 3D precision obstacle avoidance with a 360 degrees sensor array. It's like a ninja, but one that cleans your floors instead of fighting bad guys. Reviews praise the Roborock for its precise and efficient navigation, while Kilgone users find its obstacle avoidance to be very effective, though not as sophisticated. Battery life is crucial. Nobody wants their vacuum to die halfway through the job. The Roborock Q7 Max can run up to 180 minutes on a single charge, covering a massive 3,229 square feet. That's more than enough time to vacuum up all your regrets. Kilgone, with its 2,600 mAh battery, can run for up to 100 minutes, cleaning around 1,290 square feet. It's not running a marathon, but it'll get the job done. Reviewers of the Roborock appreciate its long battery life, while Kilgone users find it sufficient for smaller homes or apartments. Special features? Oh, we've got those too. The Roborock Q7 Max has a combined dustbin and water tank, so you can clean more often without emptying or refilling. Plus, its all-rubber brush laughs in the face of hair tangles. Kilgone, on the other hand, is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth-enabled and compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can literally boss it around with your voice. Talk about living in the future. Users love the Roborock's innovative design and effective brush, while Kilgone's smart home compatibility wins points for ease of use. Reviewers find the Roborock Q7 Max to be a high-end, powerful cleaning machine with advanced features, making it worth the investment for those looking for top-tier performance. On the other hand, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and smart capabilities, making it a great choice for budget-conscious shoppers. So which one should you pick? If you're looking for a high-end cleaning beast and don't mind splurging, the Roborock Q7 Max is your go-to. But if you want a budget-friendly, smart, and efficient cleaner, Kilgone's got your back. Either way, your floors are in for a treat. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and comparisons. Drop a comment below. Are you Team Roborock or Team Kilgone? Until next time, keep buying smart and stay clean. Check out the product links in the description below for more details and to make your purchase.